What's going on, everybody? I'm here today. Talk to you guys a little bit about some good old Shiba Bone, the token that is just going to the moon lately. Since past couple weeks, and this article says it surges 200% after listing on bluebit.io. Didn't come up a whole 200% because of the listing on bluebit.io. A little bit of clickbait there, but it is up 200% in a short period of time. But you know, this coin, this token, is on fire lately because it was just the governing token for votes and stuff, for proposals for Shiba and where they were going. But as Shiba has expanded their ecosystem into new things and where they're headed, Bone has been designated the gas token for the blockchain that's coming out. They say sometime in September or October. So this is why the Bone coin is definitely on the move, because it will be the gas and the supply is not that high. So, you know, everybody wants to get their hands on it because, you know, just like ETH being the gas for the Ethereum blockchain, you know, Bone will be the gas for the Shibarian blockchain. So take you through a couple things in this article I found interesting. Here they're talking about Bone breaking the an important Fibonacci resistance level recently on August 19th, and it also that level was $2.10, so at its high. So Bone has busted through that. Obviously since then it's retraced a little bit, but still the fact that it's moving up that high is actually a little bit shocking. And we'll get to the chart here in a minute. And you can see here they're talking about the sharp upward movement in price started August 19th. I disagree with that. I think it started before that, but we'll move on and we'll talk about that at the chart when we get to the charts. You know, and it managed to break out successfully on August 29th of that retracement level, resistance level. During this time, you know, where to go? Right here. It increased by 200%. They're saying between the 19th and the 30th, and also continued up, you know, the upward mobility from there. And it broke through its $210, $2.10 price here. They're talking about so as you can see, Bone has been on the move and it is hot right now, and it is up 200%. And the reason being is exchange and gas. And they hit on this a little bit down here in the article right here, where they're saying this there's been a correlation in a 2-day surge when it got listed on bluebit.io exchange. So the correlation between them getting listed on exchanges and the fact that it's the gas is making this thing just go absolutely crazy. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about central exchanges. Bone is going to be listed on Elbit, started August 31st. They started taking deposits. Trading also started on the 31st. So Bone is moving on exchanges, and that is a big deal because of the gas. And I'm going to tell you that my take on Bone and exchanges is the more exchanges they get on, the bigger this thing is just going to rise. And they are going to be listed on more exchanges, I believe, because they need to get themselves out there, get this token out there, because it is going to be the gas token. it's not going to surprise me to see this thing listed on some really big exchanges really fast. Shiba has a way of moving quickly when they get themselves a plan. And I think from the central exchange listings that they currently have been rolling out lately, they are on a centralized exchange listing path right now with Bone, and that is going to be reflected in the price as Bone moves through these centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are important for volume. They're important for price, and also important for people to be able to buy Bone, because what a lot of people do not buy on decentralized platforms. A lot of people do buy only on centralized platforms. So really important for Bone to keep on this path of getting listed on centralized exchanges. So let's take a little bit look at this chart. So what that article was talking about was right up in here. You're looking at right around here. They're looking at saying that topped off, which is they're right. It topped off right here around $2 and some cents, and that it started on the 19th, which is, I'll try to get it perfectly here, but that's not gonna work for me. Right up in here, probably right about here. And it's up 200% here, and they're actually correct. But I will tell you, if you were listening to Awesome Austin and you were listening to what he was telling you to do, not telling you to do, but telling you that he believed in Bone and where this was headed when Sheeb came out and said that it was going to be the gas, you would have been buying down here at this 30-cent level when we all were buying. All the A team was buying down here at the 30-cent level. So you're way up right now. You're way up in here. So you know, we bought ourselves all the way up here. So you know, be careful who you listen to. So Awesome Austin was telling you, but you know, was giving you the suggestion and letting you know he was buying down there. You know, follow that lead. You know, you would be up here. So, but it is up 200% between the 19th and the 30th, which they are correct. I believe if that math is right. Yeah, it was yeah, not quite 200%, close though. But so you know, Bone's on the rise, Bone's moving, and this is a token that you guys should look into, a coin you guys should look into. I believe that there's going to be a lot more exchange listings to come. I believe as we get closer and closer to the launch of the Shiba blockchain, that Bone's going to become more and more of a hot commodity. I think exchanges are going to want it. I think exchanges are going to list it. And if you go off the success of the exchange listings that SHIB has had, Bone is primed to follow, I believe, to follow them particular listings and have just as much success. So, you know, hey, check out Bone and check out the SHIB ecosystem. You know, it's moving. Everything, all the tokens in that ecosystem are moving. Leash, Bone, SHIB is going to move with the market. But Bone is a hot ticket right now. So check it out. Get on it. Price action is going to be good. Find a good entry point if this is something that you want. And get in. There's nothing but good things coming for Bone and the Shiba ecosystem in the future. So with that, thank you guys. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep you updated on Bone and where it's headed and the blockchain, and let you know on some good price action. But hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate your guys' time. Have a great day.